So today I'm gonna be working on the KA shit box. Gonna try and take the orange car's angle kit that we have from Jake's old car. You can see over there, and then yeah, we're gonna put it on here because this stuff is not good. It is completely stock under there. Gonna try and put a power brace. Not gonna try and put a power brace, but gonna put a power brace on there because the tension rod brackets that I saw underneath, they look like they've been hit. So hopefully I get under there and all the components are there and nothing is too badly bent. Yeah, so who knows, but that's the plan for the day. Tomorrow gonna head out to Long Beach, go watch the first round of Formula Drift, and gonna have a good time. Lovely day out here in the Nevadas. Got our little helper Junpei. What are you doing? Got the old man sunbathing over there. Yeah. Not really fucking with this fitment. Are you eating a rock, bro? But obviously not doing this for just fitment reasons, but to be able to have angle and drift and do things with my homies. Probably take off some of these stickers. I was thinking about doing interior pieces today, but it's probably going to bite me in the ass, but I want to get this thing running for JR's birthday and probably get some 16-inch wheels and pump them up to like 80 PSI and see if we can make it around the track. So here we go. So just like I thought I saw, these are a little bent, worse for wear. I think the other side's the same. Nope, just that side. But I got this beefier one that I've had in storage for a while. Actually, stiffen up the front a little bit. But first, move all this. Probably keep the calipers because, as you can see, those are pink still from when we originally did the pink car. So I'm gonna start taking off the calipers and then pull off the suspension, and then I'll do the power brace, and then we'll move on to that car and then swap all that over. So gonna be a sunny day. My fat ass is already sweating. I already got the first side off. Turns out they had 4 lug on here. But in the process, I made the executive decision. I'm going to keep the Godspeeds on here because the teens that are on the orange car look pretty rough. So gonna lower these the little bit that they have left and hope that they work. I mean, Godspeed's Godspeed, so who knows? Trying to get the spring right off of it, so not that it really matters for a KA car, but still would like to try some things out, and maybe we can use it for our other program that we're doing. Nice little fucking hole there. Thank God I'm in such peak physical form, otherwise this would suck. These things are stupid simple to take apart. Like, what was that? 1, 2, 3, 4, and the tie rod. Relatively simple. That's why these things were all the rage back in the day, and still are, but not for what kids want for them nowadays, you know? So, all right, onto that. Gonna adjust the coilover the same way I did the other one, and then I'm gonna put this power brace on. And then, unfortunately, this car's in the dirt, but gonna go start taking all that shit off. Put it on here. Make sure my dog doesn't eat anything. Are you playing with a rock again? Nope, just being adorable. So, we got the other side off the car. Got both of them. Oh my god, old man splash. I know. Anyways, both sides off the car. So I decided to get the other side off the car, and then I'm gonna do the power brace because it's getting hot out here and I didn't want to start baking in the sun. So I'm gonna switch out the power brace now, and then we're gonna put this thing on and hopefully get it seated on the ground. Here we are again, getting ready to drive to California, pretty much. I mean, it's 5 o'clock, but gonna meet up with some of the boys, and gonna go watch some professionals this time. Super excited. You know, everybody knows Connor Shanahan's in the series now. He's on Rome's team, so that's pretty exciting. We got a 14-year-old, not even gonna try to pronounce his name right now. But he won the new battles, the qualifying battles. So I'm pretty excited. Season opener. It's drift season. Stoked. By far my favorite FD car ever, and it's here. Oh, what a beauty. Brian thinks he's incognito, but he's not. So, Formula Drift Long Beach was an interesting event, to say the least. We got there, the line was super long. We didn't get there early enough, and we stood in line for probably about 30 minutes. Missed a couple of the battle of the top 32s, but it was cool. The runs were looking good. There's some interesting calls, and then it started raining, so I wasn't filming much. I was also preoccupied with hanging out with people, which I need to get better at. Paying attention, but it was overall an interesting event. You know, I'm not going to harp on any one specific topic. I'm sure everybody else is. Once it started raining, it got interesting, as rain drifting always does. But if you guys have been following us, that's been kind of our adventure the past couple times we've been out to California for drifting. I mean, it's still raining now, so packed up and we're gonna head home, and I'm gonna go finish the car at the Panaderia. If you know, you know.
We are working. Good morning. This week we are working on this beast of a car. Hello there. And get it done. Hopefully this week we'll have it running, going, and ripping soon. Yeah. So yeah. Oh, it's comfy. Oh, fuck. What? Are you ready? Yep.
So back home now. Actually ended up getting sick after being in the rain and snow for the past couple weekends, so haven't touched the car for a couple of days. But yeah, gonna get back to it. Gonna get these knuckles on, some cut and shuts that we had on the orange car, and gonna be really trying to make Flavor Express Scoundrels event. Not sure how that's gonna look. So yeah, I'm gonna just keep plugging away on this thing and get it ready. So if I somehow make this miracle work, we'll be there. I mean, we're gonna be there regardless, having a good time. But I don't know. Driving is not looking favorable at the moment, but you never know what can happen. So let's get to it. Yes, Kevin? Got my bolts for the other side. What did I do with them here? Aha. Smart Michael. Put him on the... Smart Michael forgets. And it turns into Dumb Michael. I'm just gonna put this on the jack because I'm fucking lazy. I am eventually going to register this car for it to be driven on the street. And looking at these rotors, it's going to be a little sketchy. Oh, fuck. My leg's slipping. Oh. Usually I'm a big proponent of, you know, work smarter, not harder. But honestly, too dumb to do that. Yeah, that's not going in. Okay, full disclosure, I'm going to try and do this the right way. If this thing gives me too much fucking grief, I'm out. All right, so got one side completed. Woo. Yeah, this is gonna be a hopefully practice car, so don't need too much angle, but still got an okay amount, just enough to have fun with. Got baby Kevin over there making some ruckus, but all right. Got both sides on. All right, little drift angle. Got the new power brace on there. So, yeah, only took forever. Now we're gonna set it on the ground. I made some height adjustment. So, gonna really hope that this thing doesn't break the fenders. So, here we go. So, per usual, when you change out suspension, you get some interesting things. This is passenger side. This is driver side. So I don't know what that's about, but I'm gonna pull this tire in. So I can't live with that. And obviously we'll get a proper, and by proper I mean string alignment, but yeah, I'm gonna fix that for now. So, fix some of the toe. It's not going to be the greatest, but just eyeballing right now. Alright, so here's moment of truth. Let's hope I don't crunch me fenders. All right. No fenders crunched. Looks a little bit better. Oh. All right. Always got to do the make sure it's quote unquote settled. Oh yeah. It's not bad. I mean, we're not going for a hella flush competition here, but all right. Drift suspension, I guess. I don't know, drift suspension sounds weird. Anyways, angle kit, fucking on. One reattached side skirt. Ain't looking too bad. I mean, pretty dog shit in my opinion, but he'll get there. So, got everything swapped over. Decided that it was time to do a little bit of like making it look good. And I mean a little bit, but finally took off the stripes and all the stickers and all that. So here's the hoping that we're gonna make Flavor Express if I somehow come into a lot of money beforehand, hopefully it's turboed, but that's very, very, very wishful thinking. So, thank you for joining me as I do stupid stuff in my garage.